What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm really excited to bring you. This is how to get a free Gymshark discount code in 2023. Now this Gymshark promo code is the best one I've found, and actually there's two of them. There is a $100 off your order promo code, and there is also a 60% off your order promo code. So depending how much you're willing to spend, you got to work out which one is best for you. Now these promo codes are pretty easy to get, guys, so let me just talk you through and show you how you can go about getting your very own Gymshark promo code. So you need to open up the internet on your mobile phone and go to www.giftcardhero.net. Now you're going to reach this website and you're going to be greeted by a ton of pages that are not Gymshark. So you need to find the Gymshark promo codes page. Now we press this green menu button, go to the search bar, type in Gymshark. And here we go, Gymshark promo codes 2023. So let's press this page. Now, like I say, there are two codes that are available. There is a $100 off your order code for Gymshark for new and existing customers, and there is a 60% off your order. And this is site-wide, so you can apply this code against any product on the Gymshark website. So basically, guys, you have to, how much are you going to spend? If you're only going to spend $100, or say just over $100, then this code will be for you. If you're going to spend, say, $200, then obviously the 60% code will be better for you. So just choose what code you want. I'm going to click the 60% off your order code. So let's press this reveal promo code button. Now this is a verification step. Essentially, guys, this protects the codes and makes sure it goes to people who actually use them rather than robots. So we just have to complete this quick verification, and it takes a few minutes, but it's well worth it for this 60% off Gymshark promo code. So we need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below. Now you're going to get a list of tasks such as this, and you just need to complete 2 of them, and there is a description below each one, so it makes it pretty easy to complete. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, for example, which is a survey, answer the questions, and I'm going to input my email address, guys. So give me 2 minutes. I'm just going to do that one, and then I'll return and do a second one, and let's see if it gives us the 60% off our order code. So as discussed, I just finished 2 of these. I actually did the 2 surveys because I find the surveys easier. Now, just to note, it says you have to complete 2, but I found the last time I did this, I had to complete 3. So just do 2, and then if it hasn't worked, do a third. I know it's annoying, but I mean, it's really is worth it. So I've just done 2. So now when we return to Gift Card Hero, you're going to go back to this page, scroll down. That's the first one that we didn't complete. So let's scroll further down, and there you go. 60% off your order. That is my code. So this is a one-time use code. So that means, guys, you can only use this code once, and then it's going to be invalid. So one of you can grab this because I'm not going to use it. However, you will need to go and generate your own discount code, choosing the one that you wish to get, and you have to go to giftcardhero.net to get your Gymshark code. Once you obtain your code, just simply add the products to the basket, and there is a there is a promo code section in the basket and at checkout. So just apply the code, and it's going to reduce the basket by the corresponding amount. So like I say, either $100 or 60% off. Now just a note, I say dollars, but as you can hear, I'm in the UK, and it will just transfer to your local currency. So for me, $100 is around 80 Great British pounds. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Press the like button if you did, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.